Keep firing on that position. Now!
Go, go, go! Take them down now! Fall back and return fire!
Press the attack. Don't let up. Fire at will. Now. Flank them from the left side now. Hey, I am so happy to see you. You won't believe what happened today. It is the best news. I got this for you. I hope you like it.
Oh, what is this? Thank you very much.
It is the best news.
Nga laap ya phina du mane. Nga kwa ba phin sa shwa.
My dear,
Nga kwa ba phin sa shwa.
It's you I see, the light that shines, guiding me through every storm, through night.
watch over us.
You're the reason I find my way.
I'll be back soon, I promise. We are very happy to meet you all today. We are always here to support you. We are always here to support you. Remember to keep your surroundings clean to prevent diseases. Working hard every day will bring a better future for your kids. Always boil your water before drinking it. Stay safe and look after each other.
I am so glad you are back.
I missed you so much.
I made your favorite dish tonight.
This is absolutely delicious.
Everything looks so fresh here today. Let's get some of these green leaves.
We'll take a kilo of these tomatoes, please. Let's see what else we need.
Let's buy some fresh chicken for dinner.
We will take 1 kilo of chicken, please. We'll take a kilo of these tomatoes, please. Thank you very much.
Packed some of your favorite sweets too. Make sure to eat properly at the camp.
I will. Thank you so much.
Please take care of yourself out there.
I'll be fine, don't worry.
Remember to eat on time.
How much longer until we reach the camp?
We should be there by sundown, I reckon. Move it out, let's go. Welcome to camp, man. Enjoy your meal, man. You've earned it today. Eat well. We have a lot of work to do. Fall in properly now. No slacking in my camp. Keep going. We must be ready for any operation. Stay alert and follow the chain of command. Our mission depends on your absolute focus.
We strike the western gate at midnight. Eliminate the watchtower guards first. No prisoners, understand?
Listen up, team. We have just received intelligence. A local gang is planning a coordinated on this area. We need to secure the perimeter and stay vigilant. We move out in 10 minutes. Any questions? Take cover and return fire now! Flank them from the left side immediately. Fire at will! Take cover now. Push them back. Fire at will.
Go, go, go! Take them down now! Fall back and return fire!
Keep up the pressure. Do not let them advance.
Push through fire! Now, drones in the air! Push through fire! Cover me! I am reloading!
Press the attack. Don't let up. Fire at will. Now.
Fall back and regroup! Now!
Flank them from the left side now. Keep firing on that position. Flank them from the left side now. They are on the run. Keep firing on that position. Now! The gang ran away. Stop firing now. You did a brilliant job today. We have made them run away. I am proud of every one of you. Men, you fought with exceptional courage today. I could not be more proud to lead such a fine unit.
3 cheers for our commander!
Welcome back. You all did an incredible job.
We are finally back, and everything went perfectly. This award is for your outstanding bravery. You have all made the nation proud. That was very well deserved. Thank you, sir. For your hard work and successful operation, I grant 30 days of leave to the entire troop. We did it, boys. The day is ours. To the best squad an officer could ask for. Well done, men. You have made us all proud today. I can't believe it's finally here. 30 days of pure leave, my friend.
We definitely earned this break, sir.
I hope the train is on time.
Yes, sir. I can't wait to get home.
30 days will go by very fast. I can't wait to see my family and relax for a whole month.
This leave was much needed, sir. We are almost there.
I can't believe I'm finally standing here. I can't tell you how much I miss this. It's so good to be back home.
We all missed you so incredibly much.
Dinner just wasn't the same. We should definitely go to the hills this time.
I was thinking about the beaches.
That sounds wonderful. Let's explore that.
Look at these beautiful resorts online. We are finally home.
Yes, safe and sound.
Time to relax.
Absolutely. Let's have some tea. All right.
Everything is packed. Let's head to the resort.
I can't wait to finally relax.
In your arms is where I stay. Without you, love, I'd fade away.
I'm already in love with this place.
Wow, look at that view.
I'm really having fun. Let's do this again. I'm very happy too.
Splashing is really fun.
Watch me jump right in. We should stay all day.
We are finally home.
I'm so glad we are back.
Me too. Let's make some tea.
With you, I found my everything. You are my life, my every breath.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you so
My
much.
hope, my only strength. 各尽各种的种皮时代。